Yes. Now we will see the chemical properties. This is actually properties. Now we will see the chemical properties of this halogen derivative. Okay, haloalkanes के लिए देखते हैं. Okay, laboratory test of haloalkanes. Okay, laboratory tests of haloalkanes. Laboratory test देखते हैं haloalkanes की, how they are reacting. Okay, and how they are showing the properties. Okay, so the haloalkanes are of a neutral type in aqueous medium. Okay, so these haloalkanes are what? These are neutral type. These are neutral in aqueous medium. In aqueous medium. Aqueous medium में this will show a neutral nature. Okay, neutral type nature. On warming with aqueous sodium. Okay, on warming जब हम लोग इसको हीट करते हैं. ओके किसके साथ? ऑन वार्मिंग विथ एक्वियस सोडियम. ओके विथ एक्वियस सोडियम. किसके साथ? एक्वियस सोडियम के साथ. ओके या फिर पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ, या फिर पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ, KOH के साथ, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ. ओके द कोवालेंटली बॉन्डेड हैलोजन इन haloalkanes is converted to halide ions. Okay, so yes, that we will see. Haloalkanes is a neutral type in aqueous medium. Okay, aqueous medium normal atmospheric temperature पे जब when we are warming it, heat करते हैं हम लोग इसको किसमें? Certain medium में, aqueous aqueous either sodium में. Okay, aqueous sodium in which the sodium is dissolved in some water, or potassium hydroxide. Okay, solution में. Then what happens? It get convert into ions. जो halide है, halide ion में convert हो जाएगा. How that? Yes, we'll see with the help of reaction. So Rx is a haloalkane right now, which will react with this hydroxide OH minus. अभी ये OH minus कहाँ से आया? ये जो सोडियम है या फिर हाइड्रोक्साइड दिस पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है उसमें का ये OH minus ions. Okay, on heating delta, which will represent the heating on warming. This will now what will happen? This X, ये X क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ से रिमूव हो जाएगा. ओके X रिमूव हो जाएगा यहाँ से एंड इट विल फॉर्म ROH. ये देखो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? कौन सा अल्कोहल फंक्शनल ग्रुप यहाँ पे क्रिएट हो गया. ओके इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस हलाइड. हलाइड डेरिवेटिव जो था यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन डेरिवेटिव था वो रिमूव हो गया यहाँ से एंड राइट नाउ ROH हैज फॉर्म. और बाद में क्या फॉर्म हुआ यहाँ पे? X minus. Okay, this X minus will represent this is a halide ion. क्या फॉर्म हुआ यहाँ पे? Halide ion has formed. Okay, so in this way on the lab testing this haloalkane which is a neutral kind, okay, in aqueous medium, but on warming along with some aqueous sodium or potassium hydroxide it has formed into the different functional group called as this alcohol, and it has given X minus ions. This X is what? Halide. Okay, halogen compound halogen atom है ये वाला which जो attached है alkanes के साथ halide ion मिल गया है उसमें. Okay, X minus ions. So when this reaction mixture is acidified, when we are acidifying the reaction mixture, इस reaction mixture को हम लोग जब when the reaction mixture is acidified. Okay, acidified जब हम लोग इसको करते हैं. Okay, acidified by adding dilute nitric acids. Okay, by dilute, yes, HNO3 nitric acid. Okay, HNO3 nitric acid और सिल्वर नाइट्रेट के साथ. Okay, AgNO3 के साथ. Okay, AgNO3 के साथ. Then a solution is added, a precipitate of silver halide. Okay, अभी देखो क्या हो जाएगा. If this reaction mixture, ये जो reaction mixture है, अगर इसको हम लोग एसिडिफाई करते हैं किसके साथ? डाइल्यूट HNO3 के साथ. ओके नाइट्रिक एसिड के साथ या फिर सिल्वर नाइट्रेट के साथ. देन व्हाट विल हैपन? इट विल फॉर्म अ प्रेसिपिटेट ऑफ व्हाट? सिल्वर हलाइड. क्योंकि उसमें देखो सिल्वर है. ओके सिल्वर नाइट्रेट और ये देखो इसमें यक्स जो है आयंस. ओके सो व्हाट इट विल फॉर्म? Ag plus from a silver nitrate, okay, in aqueous solution, it will get combined with X minus. ये देखो प्लस और माइनस, ओके, ये भी aqueous solution में है, ओके. So whatever the halide ion which is obtained when this reaction mixture is acidified, so what will happen, सिल्वर नाइट्रेट में Ag प्लस जो आयन है ये क्या हो जाएंगे, इसके साथ कंबाइन हो जाएंगे, Ag प्लस एंड X माइनस, तो क्या फॉर्म करेंगे, प्रेसिपिटेट फॉर्म करेंगे, ओके. एंड दैट प्रेसिपिटेट इज अ सिल्वर हलाइड, okay, so that precipitate is a, yes, AgX, okay, which will be a solid precipitate, okay. जो downward arrow है that will represent the formation of a precipitate will be there, okay, that will be called as a silver halide, okay. क्या form हो रहा है यहाँ पे, silver halide will be formed, okay, silver halide will be formed, understand. So Rx, which is haloalkanes, when it will react with the potassium hydroxide, so OH minus ions will attack over this alkanes के साथ and it will form alcohol functional group and से उसको separate हो जाएगा and it will form a halide ion. Now if this reaction mixture once again it is acidified तो X minus and Ag plus ions किसके साथ, सिल्वर नाइट्रेट का जो Ag plus है इसके साथ ये combine होके what it will form, silver halide it will form, okay. AgX, X will indicate a halogen atom, okay, chlorine, bromine, iodine, like this, okay. So this is AgX will be formed, okay. So this is a chemical property. Now we will see the next, a nucleophilic substitution, okay. Next we will see the property, next is what, nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloalkanes, nucleophilic substitution, okay. Under the chemical properties we will see next, nucleophilic substitution, okay. So first हो गया, that is laboratory test of haloalkane. Second देखते, okay, second in this is nucleophilic substitution. How that nucleophilic substitution come across in haloalkanes, reaction of haloalkanes, nucleophilic substitution of a haloalkane. How this nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloalkanes takes place, okay, we will focus over that part. So when a group bonded to a carbon in a substrate is replaced by another group, okay, so we have seen ये जो R है, okay, ये क्या हो जाता है, suppose RX, so this is being replaced by another functional group, okay, this is replaced by another functional group, बराबर है, another functional group, okay, different functional groups are present, okay, to get a product with no change in state, okay, to get a product, okay, and we obtain a product, और ये product कैसा होता है, this product which we obtain, once again look at this Rx, which is suppose haloalkanes, which is replaced by another functional group, okay. So the product with no change in a state of hybridization, product with in state of hybridization, okay, state of hybridization, so state of hybridization वही मेंटेन रहता है, मीन्स व्हाट, जस्ट नाउ इन प्रीवियस एग्जांपल वी हैव सीन Rx के साथ क्या हो रहा है, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड रिएक्ट होके OH यहाँ पे फंक्शनल ग्रुप ऐड हो गया, बराबर है ना, हैलोअल्केन से ये क्या फॉर्म हो गया, ये हैलोजन हलाइड आयन सेपरेट निकल के आया एंड R के साथ क्या हो गया, OH इज व्हाट, अल्कोहल फंक्शनल ग्रुप. सो such kind of a functional group when it is attached, when it replaces the halide, okay, then there should be no change in a state of hybridization, okay, and such kind of a case when there is no change in hybridization of that carbon, okay, जो कार्बन है उसमें हाइब्रिडाइजेशन में कुछ भी चेंज नहीं होता है, okay, so the reaction is called as a substitution reaction. Such reaction is called as substitution reaction. Such reaction is called as substitution reaction. So what is the main thing in substitution reaction? That this is for this functional group which is attached with this chain, which will get replaced. But after getting replaced, the carbon atoms के साथ जो hybridization था initially वो change नहीं होना चाहिए. So there should not be with no any change in the state of hybridization of that carbon, जिसके साथ जिस कार्बन के साथ वो जो हलाइड यक्स जो भी फंक्शनल ग्रुप अटैच्ड है, नाउ दिस फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज रिमूव्ड बाय अनदर फंक्शनल ग्रुप. So after attaching this functional group, there should not be a change in the state of hybridization of that carbon. Okay, उस कार्बन में के हाइब्रिडाइजेशन स्टेट में कुछ भी चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. Such kind of a change, interchange we can say, or change, is called as a substitution reaction. Okay, substitution reaction. So the CX bond in alkyl halide. Okay, so now I will represent it with the CX bond. So CX bond in alkyl halide is a polar covalent bond. Okay, so we have already studied this CX bond. Okay, this is what CX bond is, a polar bond. Okay, polar covalent bond. Why this is a polar covalent bond? Yes, CX bond polar bond क्यों रहता है? चलो देखते हैं फिर से. CX bond. So what is this X stands for? X is a fluorine, chlorine, iodine or a bromine. What these are? These are electronegative. Okay, these are electronegative elements. बराबर है ना? Electronegative elements है. And as they are electronegative elements, what will happen? जो चार्ज रहेगा इसके ऊपर, it will have a partial negative charge. बराबर है? Partial negative. And carbon, as compared with this X, will have what? A positive charge. So it will have a partial positive charge. तो क्या हो गया ये जो bond form हो गया, ये क्या हो गया? This is a polar covalent bond. Okay, the bond which is present in between this alkyl halide. Okay, the bond which is present in this alkyl halide. Okay, ये alkyl halide है. Okay, so this bond is a polar covalent bond. Okay, due to this having polarity in plus and minus. Okay, alkyl halide polar covalent bond will be present. Okay, so this bond in alkyl halide is a polar covalent bond, and the carbon in CH bond is positively polarized. अभी आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे positively polarized है और ये negatively polarized है. Okay, because X is what? Halide atom है, and these are halogen atom, means these are most electronegative. Okay, electronegative है, fluorine, chlorine, iodine, bromine सारे. Okay, so um, this CX bond is positively polarized. Okay, so that's why the CX bond is an electrophilic center. CX bond is positively polarized, and in other words, we can call this CX bond, this CX, okay, carbon is an electrophilic center. Okay, so इस carbon को हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? This carbon, we can call this carbon, okay, in CX bond. Carbon in a CX bond is electrophilic center. Is what? Electrophilic center. So what is the electrophilic center? Which one with the positive charge? Okay, one with a positive polarized. Okay, so that will be called as a electrophilic center, and it has therefore a tendency to react with a nucleophile. So that's why this electrophilic center, this carbon which is acting as an electrophilic center in this CX bond in alkyl halide, and this carbon is having a property. Okay, this carbon is having tendency. So I will write here, this carbon is having a tendency, so tendency to react with nucleophile. Okay, nucleo nucleophile. Okay, so have a look at this once again. CX, this is alkyl halide. X, which is electronegative elements, and these will have partial negative charge, and this will have partial positive charge, and that's why this will be a polar covalent bond. And in this way, this carbon, okay, in the CX bond is what? Electrophilic center. It will act as a electrophilic center. Means what? After getting replaced this X, दूसरा जो functional group जो attached होगा, so that will what? This carbon is having a tendency to react with the nucleophile. Okay, so that's why this this carbon will be called as electrophile center. Okay, and the alkyl halides react with a variety of nucleophiles, and that's why this alkyl halide is having tendency. Okay, ये जो alkyl halide है, okay, that is CX जो bond जो हम बोल रहे हैं हम लोग इसको. Okay, so this alkyl halide is having a tendency, okay, to react with a variety of this alkyl halide react with a variety of nucleophiles, react with various nucleophile. Now when it will react with various nucleophile, what will happen? Okay, to give nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, to give nucleophilic substitution substitution reaction, and which is represented by SN. Yes, a subscript N. फिर से देखो इसमें क्या हो रहा है. So due to which what will happen, this alkyl halide, okay, this carbon, okay, from this alkyl halide which will act as an electrophilic center and which can react with a nucleophile. So this alkyl halide can react with various nucleophile. तो ये reaction क्या होगी? This reaction will be called as a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction in which what will happen? This CX, ये X will get replaced and the another functional group will be substituted, will be added. Another functional group will be added in such a way that there will not be any change in the state of hybridization of this carbon. इस कार्बन का जो हाइब्रिड स्टेट ऑफ हाइब्रिडाइजेशन है वो चेंज नहीं होगा, वो वही रहेगा. एंड सच रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन व्हिच इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय S subscript N, okay, capital N. So in this way the reaction is represented in general form. Okay, so yes, we will represent now any nucleophile, okay, like this Nu minus, okay, which will react with this C. Okay, अभी हमें पता है कार्बन, yes, फोर इसमें ये है, okay, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन से. So it is having partial positive charge, and X is a halide, okay, which is having a partial negative charge, which I have already mentioned over here. Okay, ये देखो partial positive charge, partial negative charge, because carbon which is electropositive and X halide which is a electronegative. तो हो क्या रहा है दोनों में? They are forming a polar covalent bond. Okay, so now what will happen? This X will get replaced. Okay, and this nucleophile will attach with this carbon. Okay, तो देखो कैसे हो रहा है. ये देखो यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियोफाइल क्या हो जाएगा? इलेक्ट्रोफाइल सेंटर के साथ अटैच्ड हो जाएगा. व्हाट इज द इलेक्ट्रोफाइल सेंटर? कार्बन इज द इलेक्ट्रोफाइल सेंटर. ओके, सो इन दिस वे दिस कार्बन, ये किसके साथ अटैच हो जाएगा? न्यूक्लियोफाइल के साथ अटैच हो जाएगा, एंड गिविंग राइज टू X minus ion. Okay, X minus ion. What is X minus ion? This is a halide ion. X minus ion is what? Halide. So this is about the nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloalkanes. Okay, nucleophile substitution of the haloalkanes. Okay, so this is a general reaction. We can say this is a general reaction of a nucleophilic substitution. Okay, more about this, yes, parameters we'll see. So this is a nucleophilic substitution where there is no change in the state of hybridization in carbon atom. Okay. So in this way, yes. So when a substrate react fast, it is said to be reactive. Okay, the reactivity of alkyl halide, okay, in SN reaction depends upon two factors. Okay, this reactivity, okay, this reactivity, it depends upon two factors, depends upon two factors. And what are that? Okay, substitution state. What is that? Substitution state. Okay, substitution की state क्या है? Already we have learned. Okay, that is 1 degree है, primary, secondary, tertiary, okay, quaternary क्या है? Okay, of the carbon, कार्बन की स्टेट कौन सी है? प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, okay, tertiary, quaternary of the carbon. And the nature of halogen, okay, this is the first, okay, depends. And the second one is the nature of halogen. Okay, nature of halogen के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है. Okay, so reactivity, okay, this nucleophile की जो reactivity है इसी के साथ, okay, इसके साथ, so it is what depends upon two parameters. One is the substitution state of carbon, and second one is the nature of halogen. Nature of halogen कैसा है, कौन सा है? Okay, halogen वो क्लोरीन है, ब्रोमीन है, आयोडीन है, क्या है, उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. Okay, so the order of the reactivity influenced by these two factors. Okay, So tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, so three, this will indicate the tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, so I will write here in short, tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, say the next two dot. Okay, or 2 degrees, which will be a secondary alkyl halide. Okay, and then one will be a primary alkyl halide. And yes, the next one is a Ri. Okay, their reactivity is like this. Okay, will decrease uh, in this order, Br and this Rc. Okay, so some examples of nucleophilic substitution reaction of alkyl halides. Okay, which are mentioned in the table. आप देख सकते हो table में. Okay, so these are the what the degree of reaction. Okay, the order of reactivity. Okay, this is what a order of reactivity. This is what a order of reactivity. So you can see this. Okay, order of reactivity, इन दोनों में सबसे ज्यादा ये रिएक्ट करेगा, सबसे ज्यादा ये रिएक्ट करेगा. So tertiary alkyl halide will react more, secondary will react less, primary will react less. उसके बाद में Ri. Okay, that is iodide, alkyl iodide. उसके बाद में alkyl bromide, alkyl this chloride. Okay, alkyl chloride. So in this way, their reactivity will goes on decreasing order. Okay, so this reactivity depends upon substitution state. Okay, substitution state, 1 degree, 2 degrees, 3 degrees, nothing but this tertiary alkyl halide. 3 degrees, 2 degrees is for secondary alkyl halide, 1 degree is for primary alkyl halide of the carbon. And the nature of halogen is nothing but it's iodine, bromine, and this chlorine halide, which is attached with this alkyl. Okay, alkyl group के साथ जो attached है. So this is about the chemical properties and the examples of some important nucleophilic substitution reaction of alkyl halides. Okay, which are mentioned in the table. आप table देख सकते हो. Okay, so nucleophile substitution reaction of alkyl halides. So I will show you in the video 10.3, table number 10.3. So this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction of alkyl halide. This is the table number this 10.3. Have a look at this table number 10.3. Very first serial number Rx alkyl halide. Okay, so these alkyl halide which are listed in this vertical column में आप देख सकते हो. Now these are the reagent. आप देख सकते हो second वाले column में reagents are present. Okay, so NaOH reagent which will react and it will get substituted. Okay, it will get substituted. Okay, so so have a look at this. Now all these are alkyl halides, okay, which has been mentioned over here, alkyl halides, and these are the reagents. Okay, different reagents are present, and when they will react, so now what will happen? This X will get replaced in all these. Okay, X will get replaced, and ये देखो यहाँ पे ROH. Okay, the next one is ROR. Okay, RCOR like this. Okay, so different functional groups will get attached without changing in the state of hybridization of a carbon. Okay, so have a look at all this. Okay, so there is no any change, and in this way यहाँ पे देखो precipitate form हो रहा है NaGX का. Okay, and this X will get substitute. This X will get removed away from this alkyl halide, and um, another that is get added. Okay, another functional group which is get added over here. आप देखो यहाँ पे OH. Okay, ROR. These are all different functional groups. Okay, so that is what alcohol group, then ether group, then ester group, then primary amine. Okay, then nitrile alkyl cyanide. Okay, then isocyanide, then alkyl nitrite. So in this way, different functional group which is get substituted. Okay, substitution product. Okay, to the alkyl. Okay, and halide which is AX which will get removed in this. Okay,